In this video, I will show how to fix mouse moving on its own. So, if you are using Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop and you are facing this problem, mouse is working automatically. So, to resolve this problem, you can try these two methods. First one, type here mouse settings, open mouse settings. Now here click on additional mouse settings. Now here pointer options and unselect this box, hide pointer while typing. If this is selected, so unselect, then apply. Then click on OK. And still you are facing problems, so you can try the second method. Again, pointer options and adjust in middle. This pointer speed, you have to select this in middle and check this box, enhanced pointer. Then click on apply. Then click on OK and restart your system. So thanks for watching, and this is the way you can try to resolve this problem. Share, like and subscribe. Comment this video work for you or not.